try to have a bit of a clean. The fuel filter cap for my Suzuki GSX750F. Alright, so my fuel tank is dirty. As you can really see, there is a tiny bit of dust and whatnot. There's the few bolts here. This means I could disassemble this locking mechanism, and I believe this is the breathing holes as well, which is probably could do with a good clean too. Wow, they're tight. A lot tight. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Small Phillips screwdriver. Get these bolts out. Now I can slide the whole mechanism out. Don't want to lose the springs. So I'm going to move all of them away as well. Ooh, there was like a little ball in there. Where did that come from? Well, I'm glad that I haven't lost it out. Now we can really see how much grime is inside here. Let's see if we can disassemble more further. Rubber seal. I just popped the rubber into ferro liquid and warm water. So I'm gonna clean this, I'm gonna clean that, I'm gonna clean around. Unfortunately, because I can't remove this rubber and the carburetor cleaner can damage the rubber, I'm gonna be nice and gentle just to remove the excessive grime. It looks already much better. Just gonna use WD-40 to finish the rest, just because of the rubber pieces. So spray. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna leave that one to soak. The question is now, can I remove this part? So obviously we do have Allen keys around. This is a very small Allen key. I'm not really gonna have that much power with it to do the bolt. Oh yes, I do. There you go. All of this could come out. So I could have saved myself a hassle. Now I could clean this around. That's the way I protect the fuel tank for nothing coming inside. Using cotton buds to clean a little bit around. I already use it for, as well as just using a hook to tiny bit scrape some of the dirt out and shake it back out. Right, so for the assembly process, I'm putting the rubber this way. The other way is the channels. That's the channels for the air to breathe in. These springs going back in. As you can see, they have lower legs, so they do go in the groove. Now I have a springs into place. Let's put this metal piece back. This metal piece lining up with these two holes here. Now when everything is back together with this ball, realize the only one way to assemble it is to put it back where it was, on the top piece here, right in the groove. Then flip this piece upside down. Line it up. Let's have a look how we build it correctly. You can see where the ball is in there, holding with the spring right underneath it. Perfect. This means it's just holding this cap and locks it in when it drops down. So what is? One last sweep around. Other ways how to clean that. And reinstall this bar. Simply put it back into the place. Bolts lined up. It's only 4 bolts that are holding the tank filler cap in place. So going across head pattern, tightening them up. That's as best as it ever could be. So let's close it. Brilliant. In the fuel filter cap for my Suzuki GSX750F.